Hi guys, in this lecture we are gonna discuss the ToString method. So first of all, what is the ToString method? When we call any ToString method with any object, so it gives the name and the hash code and the information about that object. So first of all, here I'm gonna create the object of this class person and remove these parentheses. Here is the p1 and new person, and here is the semicolon. And now I am gonna call this function. Here is the p1 dot ToString. Here is the ToString, and I'm also gonna print out the result. Here is and now here is the parenthesis. So now let's execute it, and here is the result. The class name is person and this is the hash code. So this method gives the information about the object, and you can also write the information on your own. So now I'm gonna edit this function here. First of all, we need to write the public. Here is the public, and then we need to write the return type of the function, that is string, because it returns the information in the form of string. And then ToString method. Here is the ToString, and then parentheses and then brackets. Here in between these parentheses we need to return the information. Here I'm gonna write this is object. You are able to write any information here, and now let's execute it, and here it is printed. So this is the way we can use the ToString method, and in the next lecture I'm going to discuss the inheritance, that is the important concept in the Java. So let's see in the next lecture.